Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the snap quote module in Quotestream. If you look, I have a workspace titled main, and I have some modules in it, and then I have this quote box in the bottom. If I switch between my different workspaces, that quote box stays there no matter what. So it is static versus the modules in my workspace. I recommend getting it set up to your preferences. I'll show you how to do that. It's on the bottom here. If you want, you can click view in the top corner and you can go to snap quote and you can put it on top, to the left, to the right, or you can even hide it completely with off. You can do this as well by right clicking anywhere in here and going to move module, top, bottom, left, right. And so you set these by right clicking in one of these boxes and then going to the various data points and information that can be added to one of these boxes. It's pretty much anything that goes in a portfolio manager or a watch list or a custom quote grid can be put into the snap quote. So there's quite a few options here. And so if we wanted to select, say, year-to-date percentage, we would just go to performance, go to year-to-date percentage, and click it, and there we go. You can right-click in blank cells, and you can right-click in cells that already have data and change them. You can also clear a cell. If you want to move them around, you would left-click in one of the boxes. So I'm left-clicking on high and holding. And you can see it starts to kind of flash and has that plus. So wherever that blue bar is on top that you see, that's where it's going to move. And so if I put it here, it's going to switch with change. High and change are going to switch, and there you go. If I want to switch it back, I left-click on high, drag it back, or I can left-click on change and switch it that way. You can manage your layout here by right-clicking anywhere in the snap quote. You can go to manage table layout, and you can add columns on the left or right. So if you did that, that would set up an additional column. These are columns here. We have 4 going down. And if you want, you could right-click and you can remove the column. As well, you can add a row above, add a row below, or delete a row. If you want to add a highlight, so a certain data point that you always want your eyes to kind of draw to, just right-click, and then you go add highlight. And so it'll be blue. So anywhere where you add that, that's going to highlight that field. Right-click, remove highlight, right-click, remove highlight. You also right-click, and you can pick the font size, whether you want it small, medium, large, larger, bold. It's up to you. Also, a lot of fields are clickable and open up a new window. For example, if I clicked on this chart here, and I can right-click and I can hide it, but if I left-clicked on it, it's going to open up a chart for me. So easy access to a chart, and from here I can do what I need to do if I wanted to get a better look. Other fields such as news or sector, some of these are clickable. If you want to put in a different symbol, you can click in the box and type it in. If you click reset, it's going to reset all the settings to a default. So be sure you want to do that before you do. You can export this, and so it's going to export basically exactly what you're seeing, these fields, but in a CSV file, and you can print from here. Thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel to see more of our tutorial videos.